how to customize theme fonts in Shopify. So first, go to Shopify and then click on online store here. Okay, so once you're here, you can just click on edit theme here. Okay, once you're here, click on this gear icon here at the top left, and then look for typography. Click on that, and then you can see your fonts here. So just click on this drop down here, and then change the fonts of each one. So let's say I'm going to change them to this one, Arial, and then click on select. Okay, now you can also change the theme for the subheading, heading, and accent. Alright, so just make sure to do the same for the others as well. Okay, now as you can see, now it changed the fonts here for the theme. Alright, so once you're done, you can just click on save here at the top right, and that's it. Okay, so if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for reviews like this. See you in the next one.